Hi everyone, this is Callie for Simon Says Stamp. Today's quick tip video introduces the Adhesive Lifter Tool. This tool is a must-have for anyone who struggles with peeling back adhesive lining. It features an ergonomic curved handle design, and it has bevel teeth on one end that will grab and pull the adhesive lining effortlessly. The other end is pointed, which can help you with further lifting any adhesive lining, or it can serve as a burnishing or scoring tool. To demonstrate its use, I have a variety of adhesives available by Simon Says Stamp. The first four here are the double-sided adhesive without dimension. The two on the left are Redline tape, and the other two are Terrific tape. If you ever have trouble lifting the actual adhesive from the roll, this tool can also help you peel back and find those corners for easy lifting. You can use the pointed end to burnish your adhesive onto any cardstock or surface that's being used. To use this tool to remove adhesive lining, simply drag the bevel teeth against the adhesive to expose the adhesive liner. The curved design allows you to hold the tool comfortably while using your index finger to apply pressure to the beveled head as you grab and pull on the adhesive lining. As you can see, without any effort at all, the liner is lifted so that you can easily pull it away with your fingers and no longer have to struggle with finding an edge to grasp. You can also use this tool on dimensional tape. Again, all I have to do is run that beveled teeth against the start of the adhesive to lift some liner so that you can easily grab the end and peel it away. For really fine adhesives like the very low tack tape, I'm showing here that the tool can be used to help you peel away and expose really thin adhesive on a roll or on cardstock that might be difficult to peel up with your fingers. My final example is with 3D foam squares. When using these, multiples are often used and it can get quite frustrating trying to peel up each piece. This tool is definitely going to save you some time with those struggles and peel away the backing of those 3D foam squares easily. We all have our favorite tools for burnishing folds and scoring, but when this tool is within reach, it makes it super handy that you can also burnish folds and score with it. And there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the features and benefits of the Simon Says Stamp Adhesive Lifter Tool. Protect your nails and manicures and use this tool to help save some time with lifting adhesive liners. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye everyone!
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at SimonSaysStamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.